Alright, GoPro, I'm going kind of in the water. I'm not going to take the whole thing in the water because I'm kind of worried about it. I know it's waterproof, but you know. Alright, here we go. We'll walk along the beach. We are at Clostambar Beach. I took a bunch of video just walking along the beach without my bikini, just showing, but
una foto. Una foto.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola. Say hi to Canada.
Espérate. Ahora van a subir el video. Ponte bien.
Say hola. Say hi to Canada. Hola to Canada.
Repeat.
What?
Thank you.
Surprise!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! Yeah, surprise!
Bye. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. They wanted to be on my camera. It was adorable. Oh, I got my wine, and I put 2 shots of vodka in one of my water. Okay. All right, we are going to the beach. Maybe Clostambar Beach. I'm gonna get a Smirnoff Ice too. This one looks fancier. Okay, I'll get 2. Do you want me to get a bin or something, a cart?
No, it's enough.
Yeah, that's enough because I have already. Okay, so it's probably going to be busy because it's Easter. It's Easter for Christians and it's Purim. Happy Purim and happy Easter, everybody. And this is the so cute. Oh, that's cool display. Where did he go?
Gracias. Mira. ¿Por qué tiene energía en él? Ah, no sé. No tiene cafeína. No. Energy.
Alright. Now, you'll pay. So cute in here. Alright.
Esta es mi novia.
Hola, ¿cómo
Esta es mi
estás?
esposa. Por fin se conoce. Jorge, ¿qué lo que? Bien, gracias.
Bien, el placer de verlo.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Sí, bien.
Vamos a la playa.
Ah, no, disfrute, el placer de verlo.
Gracias.
So cute. Follow him. Beach day. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Alright, so I am going to walk along the beach. We are in Costambar, and I want to show you the beach. So here we go. Hola! How beautiful is it today? So it is the first day of Easter. Semana Santa, it's popular. And I am walking along the beach. The sun is starting to go down, which is awesome, which is exactly what I wanted to capture this. And I'm gonna show you how beautiful it looks. We've been just sitting on the beach having some drinks, and I didn't go in the water yet, but I want to go right before we leave. And it's beautiful. It's also Purim for my family and other Jews around the world, so happy Purim. And this is the Dominican Costambar Beach. It's so great. Come to the Dominican Republic. Hi. We're still walking along the beach. So Sambar. The sun is going down. So beautiful out. Such a perfect day. Sunday. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
El canal de Rito. Suscríbete.
Que moreno también.
hagamos un emprendimiento con algo que les apasione. Primero,
Hace 15 años que Dios nos viene tratan y lo humillan y luego lo maltratan peor que un animal.
Cheers.
Eso es lo que no entiendo, que al divino supremo quisiera preguntar.
Hola.
Los niños sí somos todos.
Perfect day. Happy Easter. Happy Purim, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the walk along the beach as the sun goes down. At Coast Dunbar Beach in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Alright, time to walk back to my hubby. Hola!
Sé que lloras amargamente, pero yo qué voy a hacer. Lo sé. Yo lamento tu fracaso. Vendí a llorar a otros brazos que no sirvan de juguetes.
It's fun, right? I'm totally in the water.
¿Qué problema tenemos?
Alright, here we go. Get the sun behind me. See, there's too much shadow. I'm still learning how to use this GoPro.
No, muchas veces.
Oh, the sun looks amazing. It's hard for me to see in this one. It looks amazing. I wonder if you can touch it. You get worried that you don't want to like film this one. But I love the camera. Isn't it great? I love the Dominican Republic. It's my favorite place to be. So glad I'm not in Canada. I'm here. Okay, well I'll have to edit me grabbing the mic like that. Look how cute. Not great? Don't you feel like this is life? Real life. Oh, I love the sunset. So good. Hola. So cute. Hola. So cute. There's my husband. I got some great video. And lots of people want to be on the video. Oh, look at that dog. It's a mixed Pomeranian. So how do you like being in the Dominican Republic? How do you like walking along Coast Bar Beach? Is that great? Right before sunset. Oh, is it?
And the
Let me see.
chiropractic.
Look how nice it looks.
Enter to get well. USA doctor. That's the chiropractic, the same guy.
Oh, really? Is that the one
Yeah.
that he was always talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we just haven't seen it. Because I knew that he said it was close to this thing. Because I said that we were at this place. Bummer.
It's like 85, 90 yards. Costanza, George Costanza. This is George Costanza.
Costanza. Ciao!